guys, welcome to today's video. So it is time. I got another bin down here, got 2 bins full I need to go through for doing an empties. Bundle it in, grab yourself a drink. It's gonna be a long one. So let's dive on in to the stuff you'll find in my bathroom. Well, some other stuff you won't find in my bathroom. Just toss it in here quickly. So I got empties of the Pureology Strength Cure shampoo and conditioner. Been using this. I purchased a new one. I think I purchased a Hydrate version, seeing how I like it. So yeah, I got an empty of the Clean Skin Club empty. I almost emptied out my other one. My new one showed up today from Amazon, so yeah. I'm gonna go over to the box. So you'll find more of this in a second. My HSN Skin Booster on my last bottle. So I love this stuff. I've been like, I use this like, I take these every night. Right now I'm only taking one at a time, trying to stretch it until I can get new ones, because they're out of stock at this current moment, so hopefully they can get back in stock soon. The Mika, the Cure Bond Repair. I like this one, but I'm using Pureology. A lot cheaper at Chowder's, where I get my hair care stuff at. The empty of the Codaline Binoplar Cleanser. I got another empty of the Laneige Sleeping Mask. I'll definitely purchase this one again when I get a chance. The Honey Glow AHA Resurfacing. I might go and pick up the new Honey Glow version from pharmacy. Sephora. The Marvis toothpaste and Jasmine Mint. Definitely not repurchasing this one again. Thank Carrot for it. This is the Carbonated Bubble Mask. There's still product in here. I haven't used it in a while, so it's a little expired, so it's time to get rid of it. The Vitamin C and E Super Glow from Sephora collection. I liked it. This is always going to be another repurchase thing you'll find in my shower every few months. Is the Cleo Beauty Luxury Cotton Pad Base. The Derma Blend razors are empty. I am not 100% sure if I'm going to get the refills for this one, because it comes with a shampoo, the cleanser and the moisturizer, and I don't. If they can get the replacements without the cleanser and the moisturizer, I'll be happy. The Sigmagic. Was this any good? It's like, yeah. The Cake Deserted Islands Body Scrub. Love the smell of this one. I'm using a different scent right now. The Glow Recipe Strawberry Spin BHA AHA. Again, for the AHA wise, I prefer going with Glow Recipe or Pharmacy over that one. So that is the stuff, the skincare stuff that you'll find in the bathroom. This side, all that stuff. When I say there's a lot, I got another basket. So I've been using this. I got a diffuser, so I keep on adding these into my empties. So I get these from Sage. The Sage Dream State. It's empty. I've been using this one for a while. I got a new one using it as well. Peaceful Slumber, Relaxing. Yeah, I like this one as well. The Sky one is okay. The Sea Diffuser blend with the Mother's Day around the corner. I'm hoping that these ones will come back in stock, because I got a backup of the C one. Or hoping that these C ones will be in a bigger size like this one, because I love the smell of sea one. And Tranquility is another nice one, and Dream State. Was it 2 empty dream states? No. Yeah, I'm like, oh. Yeah, I got 2 empty dream states here. Did not realize that. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna pop these in my recycling bin, and yeah. I might be about my 3rd one, I don't know if Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna hit the makeup one. Some of the stuff I'm actually getting rid of because it's been sitting around for a while, so yeah. I'm getting rid of the Prep Relay, Prep and Prime detangler from Drybar. I don't really use it, so I got other detanglers I prefer better. I got to empty the Smashbox Always Stay On foundation. I love trying those foundations and do all that stuff and wear test all that stuff, so yeah. I'm at the point where I'm like, there's a lot. The Native deodorant I like using. They're expensive here in Canada, so I'm not repurchasing it anymore. Something I've been using some other ones that's kind of better-ish. This Kosas I'm finally gonna get rid of this eyebrow stencil from e.l.f. It's been sitting around for a hot minute. I'm gonna get rid of this little mirror because I've been using this bad boy by Ilios mirror, the big one. I prefer this one a lot better. I can see a lot more going on. I can see a lot more going on. I can see this. I can have a little light up and I can see what's going on. The 10X side too. So I recommend that one. Halo. I will always be repurchasing my Halo. And by the HSN Brain Blood Booster, highly recommend. The Sakura, I'm waiting for it to come back in stock, or waiting for it. So right now I'm doing it because it has collagen, promotes collagen formation. So I've been trying to add collagen into my life in the last one. And then I got the empty packets again of HSN and all that stuff. I got an empty of the Hourglass Concealer. I may pick this one up again. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not quite sold on it. Finally, don't recommend this one, but the primer thing, serum thing from Glow Rescue. The Kosas Sport Underarm Deodorant. I like that one. Definitely gonna repurchase that one. The Ole Henriksen Strength Training Peptide one. I'm using something similar right now. I've been really enjoying it, so yeah, that one I'm holding off on. The Essence Refined Eyeliner Pen, kind of getting a little dried out. The Marcadura Lip, Juicy Lip, that's pretty much done. The glue, pretty much dried out. The Plump It Right Back by NYX. It's always going to be repurchasing it. I'm almost like I'm going to have to get another empty of that one soon. The e.l.f. Power Grip, I love that one, but I'm trying a different one right now. It's the blank Power Grip I'm using. Getting rid of, throwing out my Effortless lashes because I got new ones here. Just picked up the other day. And Understated and Would I Lie. Glue is so stuck on it, so I'm getting rid of it. Getting also, this is empty of the Surplus by Kelly Ray. Will not be repurchasing this one. Hated it. Been making those feel better. Stila, pretty much tried out. Getting rid of it. The e.l.f. brow or e.l.f. pot thing. Will be purchasing this one when I get a chance. And picking it up because it's pretty much dried out. And then last but not least, just because it's dried out too, is the Lip Cheat or Pill Talk eyeliner. So got rid of this one because it's pretty much dried out. So yeah, I am definitely postponing this one. So yeah. What was I gonna say? Sorting this one, so throw it on myself. So yeah, that is what I'm. Some things I'm gonna be repurchasing, some things I am not 100% sold on, getting rid of because it's old and all that stuff. I post 2 videos twice a week on Wednesdays, and I'm gonna be moving my Friday video to Saturday because it works better for me that way. So when Wednesdays and Saturdays at 2, so I post 2 videos twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 10 a.m. PST. Don't subscribe, don't forget about, and hopefully I see you guys in the next one. Okay.